block is moves in horizontal direction. Okay. So in this case, trying to find the work done. So what is the formula of work done? So you can clearly write it as a work is equal to force acting along displacement direction into displacement. So here force is not acting in a displacement direction. So it is acting manually in the horizontal direction. Okay. So all of the work is force acting along the displacement direction and total the displacement. So here we need to find the horizontal component of the force. So the force is having a horizontal component and here is vertical component. So it is Fx and this is Fy. So find the formula. So we need to calculate the force along the displacement direction. So here the force acting on this direction. So here we need to find the horizontal direction of the force, displacement direction of the force. So here we can write as if cos theta is equal to x inside x by fx is equal to f cos theta. Fx is equal to f cos theta. Nothing but here the force along the displacement direction is f cos theta. So substitute this into the formula. So we can write as a work is equal to force along the displacement direction is f cos theta. Displacement is so next we can write as f cos theta. So here the work is equal to force into displacement, right? The unit